Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A. Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? Correct answer is option C. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B. 4 players. Gukesh D for chess, Harmanpreet Singh for hockey, Praveen Kumar in para-athletics, Manu Bahakar in shooting. S. Muralidharan, who received the Dronacharya Award in 2025, is a coach of which sport? Right answer is option C. Badminton. Arif Mohammad Khan has been sworn in as the governor of which state recently? Correct answer is option C. Bihar. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A. West Bengal. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option B. Nepal. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, NABL? Correct answer is option B. Sandeep Shah. Which team recently won the Pro Kabaddi League title 2024? Correct answer is option B. Haryana Steelers. The Defence Ministry has declared 2025 as the year of. Correct answer is option A. Defence reforms. Who was awarded the Player of the Match in the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B. Gogandi Trisha. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C. Gyanesh Kumar. Which team recently won the Men's Hockey India League title? Correct answer is option A. Rad Bengal Tigers. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A. Guneri Inland Mangroves. National Women's Day is celebrated every year in India on February 13th to mark the birth anniversary of which personality? Correct answer is option D. Sarojini Naidu. Who was honored with the BCCI's Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B. Sachin Tendulkar. Who has been honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Who is the present governor of Manipur? Correct answer option B. Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Right answer is option C. Pankaj Advani. Hisashi Takuch has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which company? Correct answer is option D. Maruti Suzuki India. Which state has recently unveiled India's first glass sea bridge? Correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Where has Tamu Loza festival recently celebrated? Correct answer is option B. Nepal. Which state government has declared Rath Saptami as a state festival? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Lene pottery of which state has recently got the GI tag? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Which state is the host of National Saras Mela 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kerala.
Which city was the host of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation? Correct answer is option C, Faiz Ahmad Kidwai.
Nagoba Jatara festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Telangana.
Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Food Corporation of India, FCI? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri.
Alexander Lukashenko has won the presidential election of which country? Correct answer is option D, Belarus. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of IDBI Bank? Correct answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Where was G20 foreign ministers meeting held recently? Correct answer is option C, Johannesburg, South Africa. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Orissa. Which Indian cities were recently included in the list of wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Who has recently launched the iSpot portal? Correct answer is option C, SEBI. Tashego Gailai has become the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World in 2025. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option C, South Africa. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title at Netherlands in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, R. Praganananda. Which state will have the Makhana Board established under Budget 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. The joint military exercise, Cyclone 2025, was held between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Egypt.
Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Which organization released the Future of Jobs Report 2025? Right answer is option A, World Economic Forum.
Flamingo Festival was recently celebrated in which state?
Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh.
Who will host the BRICS Youth Entrepreneurship Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option B, India.
National Human Trafficking Awareness Day is observed on? Correct answer is option C, the 11th of January. Which city is set to become India's first green hydrogen hub project under the National Green Hydrogen Mission? Correct answer is option A, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 85th. Who has been elected as the President of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is option C, Bahadur Singh Sagu. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO? Correct answer is option A, Brijendra Pratap Singh. What was the theme of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025? Correct answer is option A, Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat.
Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India, whose term has been extended till March 2027? Correct answer is option B, V. Ananta Nageshwaran. Which country is the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 in the Dogri language category? Correct answer is option A, Chaman Arora. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference 2025 being held? Correct answer is option A, Muscat, Oman. How many new sites have been added to Ramsar sites in India recently? Correct answer is option B, 4. Which state government has launched Nodi Bandhan scheme? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Who is the author of the book The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Correct answer is option A, Arun Shourie. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Simolu festival was recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Which sector has been termed Old War Horse in the Economic Survey 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, service sector. Neptune missile is developed by which country? Right answer is option A, Ukraine. Exercise Devil Strike has been conducted by which country recently? Correct answer is option A, India. What is the name of the second multipurpose vessel recently launched for the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option A, INS Utkarsh. Kokborok language is recognized as one of the official languages of which state? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Makaravilakku festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who won the men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who won the women's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madison Keys. Which African country has become the first to eliminate onchocerciasis, as recognized by WHO? Right answer is option C, Niger. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Which state is home to India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Where will the first Olympic esports games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Barman. By which year has India set a target to eliminate lymphatic filariasis? Correct answer is option B, 2027. Which state government has launched Gi Safal scheme to uplift 50,000 underprivileged women? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. Konstantinos Tesoulas has recently been elected as the new president of which country? Correct answer is option D, Greece. In which city the Global Investors Summit 2025 organized? Correct answer is option A, Bhopal. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vanuatu. Which of the following won the Best Film Award at the 78th British Academy Film Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Conclave. Who has been recently appointed as the second Principal Secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Who has won the BBC Sportswoman of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Manu Bhaker. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court? Correct answer is option C, Justice Alok Aradhe. Which state UT's virgin coconut oil has been granted GI tag recently? Correct answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who is the author of the book The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option A, Pankaj Mishra. Which space agency conducted CROPS experiment to study plant growth in space? Correct answer is option C, ISRO. D. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option C, medicine. Which two sites from India have been included in the 2025 World Monuments Watch list? Correct answer is option A, Musi River Historic Buildings and Bhuj Historic Water Systems. What is Guillain-Barré syndrome that was recently seen in news? Correct answer is option B, it's a neurological disorder. Who won the men's and women's singles titles at the Senior National Table Tennis Championships 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manush Shah and Diya Chitle. International Customs Day 2025 is observed on? Correct answer is option B, the 26th of January. Where has South Africa's largest Hindu temple been inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option C, Johannesburg. Which state has recently been declared Naxal-free? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. How much money has been allocated to the Indian Railways in the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, 2.52 lakh rupees crore. Where has the exercise Sagar Kavach been conducted by the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Which country has recently joined OPEC Plus? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Who has been appointed as the director of the FBI? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel. Ali Ai Ligang Festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Dmitry Bakanov has become the Director General of which country's state-run space agency? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Kolkata's Fort William has been renamed as? Correct answer is option C, Vijayadurg. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of SEBI? Correct answer is option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option B, Dibrugarh. Who has become the director in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas? Right answer is option D, Sagar Singh Kalsi. Who won the Best Country Album Award at the 67th Grammy Awards? Correct answer is option A, Cowboy Carter. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lovlina Borgohain. Bart de Wever has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Belgium. Which country won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Services Sports Control Board. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Which neighboring country of India has launched the Operation Devil Hunt to tackle violence? Correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Which country has recently launched the CR-450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Correct answer is option B, China. Which state won the Senior National Men's Handball Championship 2024 title? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which Indian player won the bronze medal at the King Cup International Badminton 2024? Correct answer is option A, Lakshya Senator. Which country will host the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Recently, who becomes the youngest female to climb the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Correct answer is option B, Kamya Karthikeyan. The Kagyat Dance Festival was recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Which space agency successfully launched the SpaceX mission? Correct answer is option C, ISRO. Who won the title of 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Correct answer is option A, Koneru Hampi. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C, Manish Singhal. Stumped is the autobiography of. Correct answer is option D, Syed Kirmani. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who has become the Indian wicket-keeper who has scored the most runs T20 cricket? Correct answer is option A, Dinesh Karthik. Who has won the Women's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Odisha Warriors. What is India's rank in the World Bank Logistics Performance Index? Correct answer is option C, 38th rank. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, 96th. Which state government has launched India's first WhatsApp-based governance platform named Manmitra? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which state is the host of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Hariman Sharma has been honored with Padma Shri Award for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option A, Indian agriculture. Which country becomes the first nation to criminalize AI child abuse tools? Correct answer is option A, Britain. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon.
What is the mascot of the first Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 to be held in January? Correct answer is option D, both A and B, Tejas and Tara. General VK Singh has been appointed as the new governor of which state? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Which ministry launched the Sashakt Beti and A Drishti initiatives? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Education. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. In which state UT Jallikattu Festival 2025 has been organized? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. When is Pravasi Bhartiya Divas celebrated? Correct answer is option B, the 9th of January. The President of which country has been invited as the chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Joseph Aoun has been elected as President of which country? Correct answer is option B, Lebanon. National Youth Day is observed on? Correct answer is option D, the 12th of January. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the third time in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, John Mahama.
Which institute has launched a zero-waste bioplastics initiative? Correct answer is option A, IIT Madras. Christine Kala Kangalu, who was awarded the Pravasi Bhartiya Samman Award 2025, is the president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Trinidad and Tobago. Which state will establish India's first artificial intelligence university? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. What is Zomato's new name after its rebranding? Correct answer is option B, Eternal. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. Which country has withdrawn from the United Nations Human Rights Council after US? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Which Indian origin astronaut set a new record for the longest spacewalking time by a woman? Right answer is option B, Sunita Williams. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has announced the withdrawal from the World Health Organization, following the United States? Correct answer is option B, Argentina.
Which country's metro network has become third largest metro network in the world? Correct answer is option B, India. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. What is the name of the sixth Scorpene submarine recently delivered by the Mazagon Dock shipbuilders to the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option C, INS Wagshir. Which state is the host of 74th Senior National Basketball Championship? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat.
Kevan Parekh has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of which company in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Apple Inc. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as President of which country in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Croatia. Which team won the first edition of Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category? Correct answer is option A, India. Z-More Tunnel, which was seen in the news, is located in which state, UT? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 7. What was the theme for Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. World Pulses Day 2025 was celebrated on. Correct answer is option A, the 10th of February. What was the theme of the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option B, Green Games. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Where was the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Harbin, China. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Jhumwa Binandini is a traditional dance performed in which state? Correct answer is option D, Assam. Which organization has recently launched the One Man Office initiative? Correct answer is option C, LIC. Who has recently taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Joshi. Which two countries launched the Trust Initiative in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, India and US. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently to commemorate 150-year journey of Indian Meteorological Department? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Who has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which Indian state is the host of first International Olympic Research Conference? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. The Manan community is primarily found in which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Which Indian city has the most traffic congestion, as per TomTom Traffic Index released in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kolkata. Kappad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been appointed as Lebanon's new Prime Minister? Correct answer is option A, Nawaf Salam. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Which state has launched Advanced Disaster Risk Warning System, Kavacham? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Michael Martin has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ireland. World Day of Social Justice is observed annually on February 20th. What is the theme for World Day of Social Justice 2025? Correct answer is option C, Empowering Inclusion, Bridging Gaps for Social Justice. Which country will host the BRICS Leaders Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Brazil. What will be the fiscal deficit for the financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 4.4%. Which ministry has received the highest budget allocation in 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Defense. The FDI limit in the insurance sector has been raised to what percent from 74% in budget 2025? Correct answer is option D, 100%. What was the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Sabka Vikas. Which Indian city is the host of BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Which day is observed as World Radio Day? Correct answer is option B, February 13th. Where was the Prakriti 2025 International Conference on Carbon Markets held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah, who is set to become the next Chancellor of Germany in February 2025. Correct answer is option C, Friedrich Merz. In which country the annual meeting of World Economic Forum 2025 has been organized? Correct answer is option C, Davos, Switzerland. Who has been named ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Who authored the book In Pursuit of Democracy, Beyond Party Lines? Correct answer is option A, Najma Heptullah. Srimati Kumudini Rajnikant Lakhia has been conferred with Padma Vibhushan in 2025 in the field of arts, dance. She is associated with which dance form? Correct answer is option C, Kathak. In which state Indaramma Atmiya Bharosa scheme for landless agricultural laborer families was recently launched? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Which state won the Best Tableau Award at the 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who is the author of the book How India Scaled Mount G20? Right answer is option B, Amitabh Kant. Which country has recently announced the abolition of birthright citizenship? Correct answer is option C, USA. Which ministry has developed the Entity Locker platform? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Test question: who has been recently appointed as the chairman of SEBI? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.